So Tom, my freaking boy, I brought you a gift, Tom. I brought you a freaking gift, man. We're past the border. Go, 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 go. Bye, bye, bye. Fucking 3, 2, 1. Yo, what's up guys? Before we get into today's video, I want you guys to go and follow me on Live Raise. Link down below, become a loyal on my Live Raise. I'm going to be doing a merch giveaway, a new LEL merch giveaway on that channel on Live Raise. Go down to the link below, become a loyal. Loyals will only get the giveaways, guys. They'll only get the comments pinned. You guys will get noticed on as a loyal on Live Raise. You can watch me for free. You can watch all the live streams that I post on there for free. But if you want to become a loyal, you can win giveaways and you win stickers and you win some really cool things. Link down below, liveraise.com/MoSargi. Go check it out. And if you're wondering where I am right now, I'm actually in Tom's land. You guys remember where Tom's house used to be. But before we get to this, I want you guys to watch a video that we filmed yesterday, and then we're gonna end up coming back here to Tom's property. Let's go. What's up guys, I'm MoSargi. Hey. Listen, we're starting a video. What's up guys, I'm MoSargi. Welcome back to another adventure. Today I've got the idiots with me. I got Ali, I got Danny, and I got Kazi right here. Hey!
No! God, please, no! No!
It's been, hey, can you leave my candles alone, sir?
These are yours. These aren't shadows. These are yours.
No,
Hey, stop trying to use excuses. It's like, yo, Mo, who got the pink? The shadows. Mo, who got the shadows? Stop blaming.
Alright, so the boys are hating on me because my house is kind of feminine a little bit, but it's fine, it's fine. It's good to have a female touch to a house.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
But today we are giving you guys a epic adventure. Guys, I've rented a big truck. A big truck for YouTubers. Well, I mean, 4 YouTubers. Okay. We're all gonna be sitting in the back of the truck while Jimmy drives the truck, and we're gonna have eggs. We're gonna be holding eggs. So the challenge is to be driving through our city in the back of a truck. Whoever's eggs breaks first loses. And I didn't tell you guys this. Hey, focus. I didn't tell you guys this, but we're also gonna be playing the Ouija board while we're in the moving truck. Bro. I swear. What do you mean no? Don't act like you don't want it. Don't act like you don't know that we're gonna do that already.
I'm trying to add like suspense.
So a lot of you guys have been wanting the guys, the Juicy Gang, back in action. Guys, are we back? Is the Juicy Gang back?
The juice is back, baby. The juice comes from right here.
Your breast stinks, but it's okay. We'll talk about that later. Can we tell them for real why the Juicy Gang never stopped making videos?
Never stopped.
Never stopped.
No, can we tell them? Shut up, you asshole! Can we tell them why we stopped making videos together?
It's because Sargi went to English school to try to speak English and they kicked him out because he could be as bad at English.
But yo, listen up guys, we are back. We are gonna make you guys a really cool video today, and I might actually take the truck to Tom's house and check out what's happened to Tom's property. So make sure you guys stay till the end of this video. Go subscribe to everybody here. They're in dire need of views. Yes. Links down below. Go show them some love, guys. Their links are down below. We're gonna do a sick video for y'all. Let's get to the adventure. Oh my god, dude, yo, we're fucked, bro. And the funny thing is, where I live, it's a very bumpy area.
Yeah, it is.
Oh my god. Not gonna lie, this is a terrible idea, and I feel like I'm being smuggled in from country to country.
I know, guys, it's fun. This is how it came to Canada. It's all about balance. It's all about balance right now. You gotta like, bro, he's gonna miss it.
It started. This is about to get really bad.
Okay, put the cameras here for a sec.
Wait, what?
You guys might all think we're all trapped here together. You guys are trapped.
Oh my god,
With me.
No!
I can't breathe! Basically, right now, we are heading to the grocery store to get eggs. We're doing a dry run right now to see how this is gonna be.
Bro, this is amazing.
Yo, dry running's the only
It's like, yo, it's the calm before the storm right now.
Yeah, this is the car. You can't hold on!
Dry running's the only running Cassie does.
No, do a surf. Is that your surfing?
I don't know about you guys, but I feel nauseous already.
Yo, you can't just lean on the wall.
Yeah, you can't lean on the wall.
Oh, shit! Oh, shit! Danny, hold on to me,
Okay, we need to figure something out.
Give me your hand. Wait, this is
I've never been so aroused. Fuck.
We got this, guys. Sergeants are here in full force. We are not losing this challenge.
Ali freaking sprayed.
Ali, why'd you spray Febreze down?
Oh, shit made me so too busy, man. What the hell? That guy, you gotta up the ante. You think this is easy mode? Open the door.
No, don't. We can't. We literally can't open the door if we wanted to. We're literally.
Stop.
How are you gonna fly out? Oh shit! Hold on! Oh shit! No! The best $53 I ever spent.
Get it, bro. Why did you get the
Just so we can do this.
Are you going? You have to
Oh shit! All right, Cassie's the first one to go down. Oh my god! Oh my god! Where's he going? If you can ever get your hands on a rental truck, do this. It's fucking fun. Cassie's big ass is backing up. Listen.
Yo, guys, watch out. Move back.
So that was a dry run with no eggs. We're about to go buy some shit ton of eggs, and it's about to get crazy. I'm thinking we should get some dish soap.
Put it on the ground.
Open up!
I'm indecent.
What?
I'm nudage.
What? What?
Have I disciplined you guys enough?
No.
Don't say anything. I'm just gonna wear that thing in my underwear.
Yeah.
I think that looks like he's like smuggling people.
Go on, go.
We're past the border. Go.
You're on your own.
Go. We made it across. All right, so does it matter? Wait, does it matter what kind of eggs we get or what?
Omega-3.
Omega-3? Kazzy just tried to pick up a girl by using me straight up. Like straight up. What did you give her?
Yo, I'm gonna change my name to Mo Sargi, guys.
Oh god. Alright guys, as you can see, I've got a plate here with 2 eggs in each plate. We're gonna be holding each plate like this. If you drop your eggs, you're obviously gonna get dirty and you're obviously gonna lose the challenge. Each person is gonna have a plate with them with 2 eggs in their plate. So I think the dry run is over. I think we should get to the real stuff right now. Let's go.
It's literally been fucking 3 seconds
I
and he's
just
already dropped an egg. How?
I lost Nemo. I killed
There's
Nemo.
too much chaos right now. Let's just start the damn challenge. Me versus Mo Sargi.
I'll never lose this challenge. Oh my god, my eggs fell.
It's so weird not knowing where the hell we're going right now.
Imagine being kidnapped. You don't know where you're gonna go.
Yeah, I think he are.
I'm going up against Ali now. Cassie's a loser. Mo Sargi, comment down below. Mo Sargi for the win. In 3, 2, 1, go!
We have to do 1 egg. We have to
Oh shit! No, go back up! It's spinning! Okay, it's spinning now!
Bro, what I got?
No, I'm getting nauseous too.
Jimmy! Stop the truck!
Okay, this is good.
Oh shit! We made it! I win!
You don't win, I won!
We did I win!
Ow!
Ah! Jimmy! That's enough! Stop the truck! Jimmy! Stop the truck! Jimmy! Stop the truck! Why won't he stop the truck?
Jimmy, stop!
Stop the truck!
Tell him to stop the damn truck now.
Stop the goddamn truck, Jimmy! Stop the goddamn truck, Jimmy!
Jimmy!
No, you better not go again, bro. Come on.
No! Don't go!
Jimmy! Stop the goddamn truck!
Fuck it! 3, 2, 1, go, Jimmy!
Don't follow me, please.
It stinks in here! Jimmy, no more! We give up! We surrender! Enough is enough! Let us out!
This was.
Woo!
Where
the fuck are we? Where are we?
This is all this is.
Where is this place?
This is where Wolfie's gym used to be.
Oh, it's not a gym. I used to sell stuff.
Where are we?
Never mind, I have no idea where we are.
We have no idea where we are.
Exactly where we are.
Holy shit, dude.
Whoa. What is going on?
Look at the mess. Look at the mess. Dude, I gotta return this truck to him. Are you peeing and running? He's peeing and running. Hey, are you masturbating? Are you masturbating?
I can do what I want, where I want.
You're
You want
masturbating.
to do it in the truck.
This is what happens when you play with eggs. You get horny. I am covered in sweat. That was the most insane thing I've ever done. I've always wanted to do this. When I was a little kid, I actually did this, but obviously I didn't film it. It was a lot of fun. I always wanted to relive it. Oh my God, that was fucking... Look at Ali. He's covered in eggs. Are you covered in eggs? Where are you going? Oh fuck, they're trying to steal the truck.
No, you're gonna die.
No! Don't go! No! No, I'm gonna fall out! No! I'm gonna fall out! Oh, fuck. Hey! Don't go! Why did I jump on the moving truck? Ah! 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 Honestly, I have no idea where we are right now in the world. We're somewhere in Ontario.
I feel like eggs, scrambled eggs, bro. I feel like.
Bro, we literally got scrambled.
I literally feel like an omelet. I'm pretty sure this is.
Look at you, you're covered in eggs. I don't know why. It's like somehow something got thrown at you. I don't know how it happened. Yo, big shout out to Jimmy, guys. Link down below. He drove us around. He almost fucked us up. His Instagram is down below. Hey, you're not stealing the car.
Wait.
You're not stealing the car. No, no.
What are you doing?
No! Yo, what are you doing? No, not the Kiki challenge. No! 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 Ah! The man just tried to do the Kiki challenge. Shout out to Hertz. We did not mess up your truck. We're gonna wash
do
it
this again.
We're gonna do it again.
We should do it again.
Don't show the name of the company or else they're going to start looking for it.
Ah, who cares? Anyway, so what we're gonna be doing is renting another truck sometime throughout the week. We're gonna be putting an entire dining table inside of the truck. We're gonna have a freaking sexy dinner in the truck while it's moving. Let me know in the comments below if you guys want to see that. That was fucking awesome.
That was so good.
That was fun.
That was a great workout.
Yeah.
And I realized I'm like,
You
man,
need it, huh?
I'm already. Yeah, I definitely need it.
Yeah.
Clearly.
Guys, round 2, we oiled the ground. That's what we got to do.
We have a Juicy Gang dinner. We just sit down, talk about our lives, and then he just starts driving.
Let me know if you guys ship Juicy Gang. We out here in full force. Yo, Juicy Gang, what up, though?
Yeah,
we here.
what's
Everybody
up,
go
baby?
follow everybody here. Links down below. Smash it. We back in action, baby. Let's go.
Hey, Mo, what you doing over there?
Taking a piss and it feels good.
You know, there's no small firearms allowed in this area, eh? That's a restricted firearm. Anything under 2 inches, you're not allowed to have.
I may have peed, but I didn't wash my hands, and I peed on my hand.
Joke's on you, I don't bathe.
All right, see you later, boys. See you. I'm driving. Bye, bye, bye. Bye. This is for all the times that Ali and Danny have flopped on me. Are you boys ready? Listen to them scream.
Chill. Don't kill us, though. Don't kill us, Mo.
Alright, let's not roll this over.
Which way do we go, Jimmy? I don't know where we are.
Mo, don't roll the truck over, please. Please. Oh my God. Mo, please don't tip the car. Mo, don't tip the fucking car, bro. Yo, Ali and Dan are...
Oh shit, we're on the road! We're on the road!
please,
Oh
please.
shit!
We are.
We almost went in the ditch. Should I hit the brake? I feel bad.
You're expecting. Bro, I'm getting so nauseous. I don't know how this guy's doing it right now. Mo, please just don't tip the car. I'd rather sit down.